FEC's number 222. Florida East Coast Railway is doing it tonight. Freight-wise. And they ain't playing. Just met up with 101 in Villa Rica. That's why everything was so quick tonight. Sounds like a foul K5HL to me. 823, I presume. Yep. And the 816 picking up dirt while they're doing it. HERZOG. Just two flat cars. Nothing but air on the back end. Passing us 1106. Ah.
Count the cars? How many?
Probably about 120. I don't really count the cars. I just made that up. Anyways, BBT 609 here at Atlantic Avenue on the Florida East Coast Main Line. Have a safe trip to the crew of 222 and 101. Well, I'm out of here. This concludes my night rail fanning. Unless we come out for 107 and 218. That'll be later. Look, listen, and live. Guys, have a good night.